So welcome back friends. In my last video I have shown you a very interesting topic, that is how you can do algo trading in Zerodha using open high-low intraday trading strategy. And this video is going to be even more interesting. In this video I'll show you something similar that is also on algo trading or algorithmic trading, and I'll show you how you can create your own Zerodha algo trading software using the open range breakout strategy. So this strategy, this open range breakout strategy or ORB strategy is also a very powerful strategy, and this strategy actually is followed by traders worldwide. So this strategy is actually very accurate. Why this is accurate? Because many people actually follows this strategy. They tries to follow the 15 minutes open range breakout or 30 minutes open range breakout or even the 1 hour open range breakout. And we have seen that once the open range is broken, the market actually tries to move in the single direction. Many times you will see that till the market end, the market moves in a single direction. So let me describe how you can create your own Zerodha algo trading software using this open range breakout strategy. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. So now my dear friends, let me describe you what is a open range and how the open range breakouts happen. Suppose this is Nifty near months futures chart, and suppose this is say 5 minutes chart. So here you can see the first 5 minutes candle, this is the range, then this is the second 5 minutes candle, this is the third 5 minutes candle. So this is the 15 minutes range. So 15 minutes range high and low is defined. So then the fourth candle, the fifth candle, the sixth candle. Once again the 15 minutes range is same as the 30 minutes range. So the 30 minutes high and low is also same as the 15 minutes high and low in this case. So then the next candle, next candle, next candle, next candle, next candle, next candle. So this is 12 candles. So this is 12 5 minutes candles. So this is the hourly range now. So you can see the first 5 minutes range or the first 15 minutes range or the first 30 minutes range and the first hourly range is same in this case. So now this is a breakout. You can see once this range breaks out, there is a high chance that the market will follow the breakout direction. Here in this case, the breakout has happened on the downside. So there is high chance that the market will move on the downward side. And here you can see, my dear friends, that the market has moved on the downside, and if you short sold here, you can make good amount of money here. Instead of the breaking out on the downward side, if the market breaks out on the upward side, the chances are there that the market will move on the upward side on a systematic manner. So this is what is a open range, and this is how to trade the open range breakouts. So my dear friends, I have shown you what is a opening range or a open range and what is a opening range breakout. And I have also told you the strategy how to trade the open range breakout. The strategy is very simple. If the opening range breaks out on the upper side, you need to buy that stock, trade with some predefined target and stop loss. If the target gets hit or if the market closes above your buying points, you make money. And if the open range breaks out on the lower side, you need to short sell that stock. If the target gets hit for your short sell, you make money. And if the market closes below your selling point, then also you make money. So this is how you can trade using the opening range breakout. Now I'll tell you where actually you will get a complete list of the opening ranges of Nifty 50 stocks. So there you will get the upper range of the Nifty 50 stocks and the lower range of the Nifty 50 stocks, and there you can get trade buttons also. From there you can just trigger trades in your Zerodha trading account using your defined stop loss and targets. So let me get over to that opening range breakout list. So dear friends, this video requires your access to Zerodha Kite login and also to Zerodha. So first and foremost criteria to follow this is that you first have an account in Zerodha. I believe you all are having accounts in Zerodha. So for them do not have an account in Zerodha, I'll give you a link to join Zerodha. So you can remember this link. Just open up a browser and write down bit.ly/join Zerodha. bit.ly/join JOIN join Zerodha. Now my dear friends, if you cannot remember this link, do not worry, I'll give you the link in the video description. So from there you can go to this link and you can open up an account in Zerodha. So I am going to this link. It has opened the Zerodha account opening page. So here there is a place to put your 10-digit mobile number and click continue, and you can open Zerodha account very fast. So friends, this is the open range breakout trader page, or this page is dedicated to the Warby traders. So here I'll be showing you how you can start your own algo trading using the Warby. But before that, first let me tell you how you can access this page. So you need to come down to my website stockmaniacs.net. In the website there is freebies section. So put your mouse on the freebies section. Under the freebies there is free tools. So keep your mouse on the free tools. Inside the free tools there is Warby Trader. So you need to click here to access this page. You can also bookmark this page, and don't worry, I'll be giving you the link of this page in the video description. So from there you can directly access this page and you can also bookmark it. So now this open range breakout trader. So here you will get the open range of all Nifty 50 stocks. So you need to come down to this page only after 9:30. So why 9:30? Because 9:30 is the first 15 minutes. So 9:15 the market opens, and from 9:15 to 9:30 the first 15 minutes candle is formed for all the stocks. Now whenever you will be coming to this page after 9:30, so you will see here instead of 1 hour it will be written 15 minutes. So that means the 15 minutes range for all the Nifty 50 stocks will be shown here. So if you are a 15 minutes range trader, you can actually place your order directly from here. After 9:45 this signal will change to 30 minutes. So instead of 1 hour, here you will see that it is written 30 minutes. So that means the first 30 minutes range of the Nifty 50 stocks. Now remember, if the range gets broken, suppose between 9:30 to 9:45 the range of any stock gets broken, so this stock will actually be removed from this list. So after 9:45 you will see 30 minutes over here. So that is the first 30 minutes range. Once again, if the range gets broken, the name of that stock will be removed from this list. You need to time refresh this page to see the current condition. And after 10:15, that means the first 1 hour, you will find that here the signal is 1 hour candle. So 1 hour's candles range high and range low will be written over here. So after that, till the market closes, you will see only the signal of the first 1 hour. So after 10:15 till the market closes, you will see the signal as 1 hour. So you can trade the 1 hour's range breakout for the Nifty 50 stocks. And once again, in case the range gets broken, so you will be seen that the name of the stock are removed from this list. Now you can place a order directly, you can place a BO order. So here you can put your capital, by default it is 1 lakh rupees capital. You can put your stop loss, by default it is 1% stop loss, and you can put your target, by default it is 2% target. And at present the broker is Zerodha, so in future I am having plan to add more brokers over here. And here the range percent is 2%. So you can increase or decrease it to see more or low ranged stocks. Suppose I am making it 1%. So you can see only the stock that is inside the 1% range that has been shown here. So now if I make it 1.5%, so any stocks that is inside the 1.5% range, today the total range is below 1.5%, it will be shown here, and we can increase it to see more stocks over here. And here my dear friends, you can also see the range high and the range low. So Asian Paint has made a range high of 1710.05 and it has made a range low of 1677.10. Now you can directly put a buy or a sell order over here. So if you put a buy order, it will automatically place a buy order above the range high with your specified stop loss and target. And if you put a sell order, it will automatically place a short sell order below the range low with your specified stop loss and target. Suppose, let me show you. By default the capital is 1 lakh. Let me make it 2000. Stop loss say 1% and target say 2%. You can increase or decrease the stop loss or target. Suppose we will be placing a BO buy order. So you can see here it is asking to connect to Kite. I will be logging into my Kite. I need to put my 2FA over here. Click continue. So now I am logged into the Kite. I will put the buy order. You can see directly it is going to the order management system. So here you can see the LTP is 1679. As my total capital is 2000, so it will trade only one quantity over here. And the stock you can see Asian Paints. So buy order above the range high, you can see the buy order is above 1710.05, and you can also see the stop loss and target over here. As per 1% stop loss, the stop loss is now 16.80 rupees and the target is 33.60 rupees. So you can directly place a stop loss over here. So I am right now I am not placing the order, or you can also change the order by clicking here and clicking on modify. So you can change the order over here. You can see by default BO is selected, so you can also select CO or regular. I am cancelling and I am cancelling the order. Similarly, you can put a normal buy order. If you put a normal buy order, just click here. You can say this is a normal buy order, this is a normal stop loss order placed above the range high. So the quantity is 1. You can once again click here and you can modify the order. So I am cancelling it and I am just testing by placing a normal buy order. Let me click place. Now let me go to my Zerodha Kite. Let me open another window. So this is, I am opening Zerodha Kite. You can see this is my dashboard. Let me go to the orders. You can see here the Asian Paint buy order, MIS SL buy order is here, and you can see the status trigger pending. So the trigger is pending. So you can see from directly the open range breakout page, the order is being placed on the Zerodha Kite. So right now I am cancelling. Similarly, we can put a sell order over here. Suppose we are seeing that Hind Unilever, the current price is 2159. We need to refresh the page to see the exact current price. And The range low is 2144. So let us put a sell order. Click on the sell. You can see directly I am being redirected to the Zerodha Kite order management system. The LTP is 2160.15 and the sale order will be placed below 2144. Now you can see the quantity is 0 because Hindustan Unilever is priced above 2000. So I am now making it 3000. You can choose your capital according to your risk appetite. I am just showing it. Just click on sell. You can see now the one quantity is shown here. You can modify the sell order by clicking modify. You can play with the order. I am cancelling it and I am placing the sell order. You can see the order status trigger pending. So let me go to the Kite. You can see once again I am in the Kite. Let me refresh the order. You can see the Hindustan Unilever sell order has been placed below 2144 and the status is trigger pending. I am cancelling the order. Let us go back to the open range breakout page. So in this way, from this page only we can put our automated algo buy or sell orders and we can play with the automated algo system. In this page you will see ORB ranges for Nifty future and Bank Nifty future. So those want to trade the Nifty or Bank Nifty future open range breakout, they can easily come to this page and they can trade Nifty and Bank Nifty future open range breakout from here. You only need to specify your capital, your stop loss and target, and that's all. Then you can put the buy or the sell order. You can place the orders both side. If you have margin, you can place the orders both side, and once one order is triggered, you need to cancel the other order, or you can keep the order in the system to trade. If the trade reverses, it will be reverse your trade. So in this way you can use this open range breakout trader page. So my dear friends, I have shown you how you can implement and create your own Zerodha algo trading software using the open range breakout strategy. And I have made several videos on this particular topic, but this topic is actually very interesting, so you can keep making videos and keep watching videos on this particular topic. I have shown you how you can create a powerful Bank Nifty trading strategy using this simple open range breakout strategy. And once you can come back to my web page, you can see my Zerodha algo trading software. Using this open range breakout strategy, you can actually implement my Bank Nifty open range breakout strategy here. So whenever I have made this Bank Nifty open range breakout strategy earlier this year, I have named it as quit job strategy. So it is so powerful. I have backtested it for a long 10 years and I have shown you that it has made profit each and every year. So this is a very simple strategy. You can start implementing right from tomorrow, and you can comment with your suggestions and your observations to improve the particular strategy. So I will be waiting for your comments below this video, and we will together create a very powerful strategy using this open range breakout system. So friends, I have completed today's webinar. If you like today's video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please also do not forget to share it with your friends, because if you share it, someone else can also be benefited. If you have any queries, just ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer you as early as possible. Friends, thanks a lot for watching this webinar till the end. Bye bye.